What if I told you that Sierra Leone is not just known about war or blood diamond, but a land of secrets, beauty, and surprising stories? Most of them would think about civil war or blood diamond, but guess what? That is only one chapter of the story. This country carries scars, so a culture that you will never find in another country. Yes, the story of pain is real, but the story of beauty, it is louder if you pay attention. Number 2 is the currency and how the currency works. In Sierra Leone, we use the leones, which actually get a fresh design in 2022. As of currently in October 2025, $1 is currently worth 22 to 25 leones. But here is the twist. Most people in Sierra Leone, they don't live their life into exchange rates. They survive through farming, fishing, and mining, and also some of them, the support they get from family members in abroad. Getting the money in Sierra Leone is tough, but the hustle is real. Number 3, let's talk about faith and unity. Religion in Sierra Leone is powerful but very peaceful. Around 70% of the population is Muslim, with Christianity close behind by 25%. But what makes it so special in Sierra Leone is the religious tolerance. The mosques and churches, they often stand side by side with no conflict. That is very rare in today's world that we live in, but in Sierra Leone it is normal. Number 4 is the language and people. Iyo is the language that connects everybody. Timni, Mende, Limba, Susu, Fula, Maningo, and the Kono people. As of currently, Sierra Leone has 8.7 million people. As of the Creole language, if you hear it once, you will never forget it again. Number 5, let's talk about the land and the life. Sierra Leone is very small in landscape, surrounded by water, about 71,740 square kilometers, but it's packed with so many things, from the green hills to the wild beaches. Every corner in Sierra Leone has a story to share. It is not about the size, it is all about the energy. Number 6, let me give you reasons why you should visit Sierra Leone. Here are some of the real reasons why you should visit Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is that country that is never crowded like other tourist spots. It is all raw and natural. Imagine that you are walking on untouched white sand beach, standing on Bounce Island where the slave trades once stopped, watching the chimpanzee in their sanctuary, or dancing with the locals in the street. This is history, beauty, and adventure rolled into one place. Now, let me ask you a question. Tell me, if you had the chance to travel to Sierra Leone, would you explore Sierra Leone, or do you think that it is still too underrated? Drop your thought in the comment section. If you do enjoy this video, consider to like, comment, share, and follow for more. As of now, I am out. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Peace.